keyword, this will invoke the constructor of the parent class. Okay, while I am calling a super, it will go directly to the parent class. Okay, if I use super dot variable name, I can use the same variable name in a various method. While I am calling super dot that variable name means it will directly go to the parent class variable name. Okay, and the same super dot method name means the same thing. While what are the method, the same method I can use in a various classes. That for example, I can use A is my main class. I use add function in a A, and B is my another one class. Here also I use add function, but this A is my main function. Okay, if I use super dot add means it will directly go to the A's add functions. Okay, these are all these main purpose or main usage of super class. Here the example for main super keyword. This is the super keyword method. The constructor, the general super and also the constructor will be the same. Why? Because here the example I am using parent class and just printed parent. Okay, and extending that parent class in a subclass. Here I am just printed a child. Okay, in a main class I have to create an object for the subclass, right? So S is my object. So while calling this, the control will goes to the subclass first. Okay, while reading this line, the subclass which extends the parent class and then it moves to the parent class. Okay, so it will execute a parent first. After this execution, it will comes to the subclass. Here the subclass, what will be the output will print as child. So this is the, without using a super keyword, this action will occur. Now we go to the how it will super keyword will work. In a previous example, I said that without using a super keyword, how it will work. Okay, in this I am just using the same example. Instead of this directly calling of super class, I am just using a super keyword. While using this super keyword, the control will directly goes to the main parent class. Okay, while reading a super, it will comes to the main parent class. So there is no intermediation. In a previous, I am just while running a main statement, it will comes to the subclass and subclass will extend the parent class. For that purpose, it moves to the parent class. But in this example, it will directly comes to the parent class. So the output of the programmers while running parent class, it will execute the parent. While running a child class, it will execute the child. This is the example for direct super class. Okay. Next one is a super keyword. Super keyword is I already told that while using a super dot variable name, it will directly goes to the parent class super keywords. Okay. Here without using the super keyword. Okay. This is example. I am directly using a parent class. Value is 999, and in a subclass I am using a value 123. While calling this subclass S equal to new subclass, it will goes to the control goes to the subclass. Okay, so it will execute the display statement. The value is, so it will call this value only. Okay, not in a super class or not in a parent class's value. It will call the within the class. Okay, so value is 123. That will be printed. This is the output for the without using a super dot variable name. Okay, here the example for the super keyword. The same example in a parent class I am using a value 999. In extended class I am using a value 123. Instead of direct calling of value, I am using a super dot value. Okay, while calling this subclass, the control goes to the subclasses. Okay, next it will read int value equal to 123. In a display statement, value is plus super dot value. Okay, so while reading this line, it ignores this value. Okay, it moves to the direct super classes. Okay, so the value of super classes is 999. So the S dot display means it will display the value is 999. So this is the output of the super class. Next one is a super method. So what is the main problem in the overriding or method overriding is we have to create two method in a different classes. While we calling that method means there will be some problem occur. It will call either a subclass name or in the main class name. That will be the main problem in a method overriding. For that purpose we have to use a super keyword, and in this super method, so without using this super keyword means it will call the current method class. So when you are overriding the parent class method in a child class without using a super keyword means it will calls the child class method itself. Okay, here the example, in a parent class I am using a void display. In that I am just printing a parent class. That is just I am just printing this parent class as output. Okay, so in a void display class. In next one is I am just extending that parent class in a subclass. Okay, so for that public class subclass which extends a parent class, here also I am using the same method void display. Okay, so here I am just printing a child class. Just clear with it. In a parent class I am just using a void display method and I print a parent class. In a child class also I just using a display method and print a child class. Okay, so in a void show I am just display it. Okay, so public static void main subclass s equal to new subclass. Here I am just creating object for my subclass. So while calling s dot show means it will goes to here. So display method. Okay, so here I am using this display which control goes to a subclass method itself. It will not goes to a parent class method. Okay, so it just print child class. Okay, the output of this is child class. Why it will directly go to the child class means, so the control of the void show which comes under a child class. For that purpose it will directly goes to the child class method. Okay, so what I have to do to go for a parent class or go for a main class means, for that purpose I am using a super keyword. Okay, if you want to go to the parent class method means you have to use a super keyword. Here the example, the same example, in a parent class I am using a display method and it print a parent class. In a child class using a display method it print a child class. In a void show, here the difference. So if I use directly display means the control goes to the current or that subclasses. Okay, so current class. Okay, it mentions the current class. Okay, if I use a super dot display means it will goes to the parent class. Okay, so here the output is while reading this line display. Okay, so the control goes